Welcome to part one of vegetables my kids love to eat. Today we're going to be making guacamole. Guacamole, you heard that right, because there's kale in the guacamole. I boiled my kale, rinsed it in cold water, drained it, removed the excess liquid with a paper towel, chopped my kale into small pieces, put it into a bowl, added some garlic, and then I added my beautiful avocados. My kids love this dip. They ask for it all the time. And then I added some lemon juice. Lemon juice is for flavor, acidity, and also to prevent oxidation. You can add some chopped onions, cilantro, and green onions for texture and extra flavor. But if your kids don't like it, you can definitely skip this part. I blended the kale with the avocados using an immersion blender and then added salt and pepper to taste. Mix the rest of the vegetables, mix, 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 and there you have it, guacamole. This is so delicious. My kids love it, and I think your kids will love it too.